Hi there and welcome to the Classical Guitar Playground. In this video I want to introduce you to a composition by Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart called Petite Piece. As usual, I show you how I play it and which fingerings I use. You can download the score with tabs by clicking on the link in the description below. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, then please do so now. By subscribing to the channel, you're supporting it immensely, and I appreciate it greatly. Now let's get on to the tutorial.